Welcome to RBO. Today, guys, we're going to be going over the small spice survival stash. This is a small spice jar that has a nice rubber seal on it. You have some survival stuff in it. Here you have your seal. Make it waterproof. You can add some exterior stuff if you wish, just to make it a little bit more waterproof. Yeah. We just have a basic kit inside here. Here we have our mustard. Give it a little bit of a nutrients boost. We have our matches in cellophane, sealed with a striker. Good amount of matches in there. For cutting, we have a nice razor blade. That's actually pretty good in there. Let's leave it there. And here's our basic sewing kit. We have our needle. We have our thread wrapped around some cardboard. And for navigation, we have our basic pocket compass, button compass. Let's load that. Zero in there. Finally, but not least, we have our ferrocerium rod where we can strike, create some good sparks. And yeah, that's the basic little kit. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.